So the first announcement is, if you don't know it yet, but I would hope you do know it, is we have a workshop on this topic on my website. It's called the Path to Self-Custody, which is in fact 2 workshops and a hardware wallet demo. So the Path to Self-Custody is a fairly comprehensive workshop that teaches you about how to do self-custody. And in order to make it more accessible, I'm going to be offering you a discount code that you can apply. And this discount code will be valid for 1 month, well, 3 weeks at this point. It expires at the end of January 31st, 2024. So you can use this discount code and it will give you $24 off. The regular cost of the workshop is $60 US. So you're going to be getting it for $36, if I did the math correctly. So Path to Self-Custody, the discount code is self-custody for me with a numeral 4, and my PM mod is going to post it, has already posted it. So that's the Path to Self-Custody security bundle, 2 workshops, and a hardware wallet demo. So this teaches you some of the practical skills, but also many of the principles I'm going to be talking about. Now, the discount code applies both to the English and also to the version that has Spanish subtitles. So to both of those language versions. And a reminder, it expires January 31st, 2024. This is for Patreon community builders and everyone else. So we are going to be sharing that publicly. We want as many people as possible to get that. But you can also share it. And if you do, you can say, this is one of the benefits of being a patron. You get this early on, as well as many other little perks.